Major developments are unfolding at Camp Nou. Barcelona is now targeting February 22, 2026 for the Phase 1C reopening, increasing capacity from 45,000 to over 62,000 seats in time for the Levante clash. At the same time, the club and the city have officially launched their bid to host the 2029 Champions League Final, a strong sign of confidence in the project's timeline. Today, we'll look at the Diamond Zone's new glass facade, the massive steel compression ring for Europe's largest roof, and how Gol Nord is being prepared for 17,000 extra fans. This is more than progress, it's ambition in motion. Let's get started. A glass panel is being installed at the Cafeteria Diamond using suction cups. This installation requires precision, as the panels are thick and expensive. Several panels have already been placed on the lateral side and at the back. Workers carefully position each panel using the crane and aerial platform, ensuring alignment and safety. At the second diamond, workers are present, but no new glass panels have been installed since Monday. Panels above the doors are still missing, with 3 gaps on each side remaining. Light rain is slowing work slightly. Large pieces for ventilation and other interior systems are being positioned, and aerial platforms are actively moving materials for the stairs. In the south goal area, work focuses on the lower section where slat supports have been installed. Small concrete pieces and joints are being adjusted, while aerial platforms transport plates for stair construction. Interior works continue behind the structures. In the corner, new slats have been installed on the false ceiling. From Monday to today, the entire bottom sector of this corner is completed. The bracket area is not yet finished, but the progress is significant. Additional plates are being lifted and positioned using aerial platforms. Other materials for stairs and slats are also being moved, ensuring the sector is prepared for further work. Earlier delays from rain and holidays caused a pause, but now all anchors are in place. Workers on aerial platforms are actively installing slats, and remaining pieces are staged and ready to be placed. The third radial beam has been successfully installed. The fourth compression pillar is prepared near the door but hasn't been raised yet. Protective plastics cover the glass panels already installed, and formwork remains for the pillars that still need concrete. The staircase in this lateral area is partially completed. Plates on the upper steps are still missing, leaving the structure visible. Interior works continue as planned. Trucks continue to bring slats and other materials to the lateral areas. Cranes and aerial platforms are positioned, ensuring smooth installation once new radial beams and pillars arrive. In the tribune section, there isn't much movement up front. However, in the diamond area to the left, several glass panels have already been installed. Let's take a closer look at the cafeteria panels to see the progress. A concrete pump is present but currently inactive, and a few aerial platforms are on standby. Activity is minimal here compared to the diamond areas. Aerial platforms are working on the staircase structures, but other scaffolds remain mostly inactive. Interior work continues, though much of it is obscured from this angle. In the north goal area, workers are preparing supports for glass panels. Some sections are being concreted in formwork, while others already have panels staged for installation. Slat supports in the corner are still partially incomplete. Chrome tubes have been installed in the lower part of the corner, complementing the upper-level tubes. A crane with multiple suction cups is carefully placing glass panels. Only a few tubes remain to be installed, and materials are organized in the back area for easy access. That's all for today's Camp Nou update. We'll keep monitoring every area and share all progress in upcoming videos. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like, subscribe to MegaBuilds Pro, and turn on notifications and share. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to MegaBuilds Pro to catch every new change as it happens. We'll be back soon with more fresh updates only here on MegaBuilds Pro.